These are the ingredients that you need to make meringue. 3 egg whites, 220 grams of icing sugar, 16 grams of corn flour, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. In a large bowl, place egg whites. Be sure that the mixing bowl and whisk are free from grease, and egg whites do not have any bits of egg yolks in them. Gradually add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and start to whisk. When the mixture is slightly foamy, add the lemon juice, corn flour and vanilla essence to the bowl. Whip on high speed until it's glossy and stiff. If you like to add coloring, add few drops of gel coloring and mix well. Scoop the batter to a piping bag fitted with piping tip. Squeezing for a second, then stop squeezing and lift up the hand quickly to create a peak. Or else pipe any desired shapes on the parchment paper. Bake in 100 Celsius preheated oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Enjoy the light and chewy meringue.